As we have talked before in the world of tax planning, our first goal is to eliminate taxes on the income you earn. The reality is, however, this option is rarely available. But today, I wanted to talk about one option that is available to many of our clients, including business owners: the Augusta Rule. Named after Internal Revenue Code Section 280A, that allows a homeowner to rent their personal residence for up to 14 days a year without claiming the rental income on your personal tax return. The Augusta Rule is named after the famous Masters Tournament held in Augusta, Georgia, where 50,000 spectators descend on the community every year to see the world's best golfers. Homeowners routinely vacate their residence for those few weeks to rent their homes out to visitors for top dollar, retaining every dollar of income and paying no income taxes. The flip side of this rule states that the homeowner is not allowed to deduct any home-related expenses that would otherwise be deductible in a rental scenario, like insurance, HOA dues, and utilities. I would also note that Section 280 limits this income exclusion to rental income on a home you reside in. Vacation homes or other rentals are excluded. Let's talk about how the Augusta Rule can be used by business owners. The Internal Revenue Code tells us that a business can deduct any expense that is both ordinary and necessary in their business. Let's consider several Fortune 500 companies. Their management meetings are frequently held off-site, away from the hustle of the workplace. Companies routinely pay rent for boardrooms and meeting rooms as an ordinary expense that is also widely deemed necessary. You can do the same thing, but instead, renting your personal residence to host management meetings for your company. If you believe you are a good candidate for this tax tip, please note the following. 1. Pay market rent for the use of your residence. What would a nightly rental in your area for a comparable home be rented for? 2. Write a rent check to yourself for up to 14 days of rent. Assign the expense in your accounting software to rent expense. 3. Summarize the meeting to memorialize it. Write a few quick notes about the nature of the meeting, the attendees, and topics discussed, and include it in the notes of your check/expense in your accounting file. As long as your rent check paid is booked as a rent expense, there is no need to further notify our team that you are using the Augusta Rule, but be sure to let us know if you have any questions.